Hey, welcome. We're going to be plating the passion twist. Let's do this. All right. Oh, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, princess and prince. Yes, how are you doing? Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Yes, if it's your first time to watch our channel, you can press the subscribe. It'll work for me. And please, if you're still new to this channel and you have just subscribed, I want you to give me your time, please, because there's a lot to learn on this channel. So we're going to be plating the passion twist, and this is how we do it. I uploaded a video on this on how to do the passion twist, and I was showing you all the steps that we always do. So those ones who didn't watch my previous video, let me explain to this one. Like I'm using the gel here. The gel, I use it when I'm plating, and the gel, it's just because it helped me to collect all the remaining hair together. So this is how I'm doing it, and when I'm done with that, let's see how I'm plating. I pull that one down and up just like that. Yes, you can see. So I always start with 3, like in my previous video I showed you this. Yes, I always start with 3, just like that. And then whenever I do that, it's when I try to braid it a little bit, and after then I tie. Yes, just like that. You see what I'm doing? So after, you come and first try to twist to see if it's the good direction, because at times you might twist it that way and it comes out badly. So you just try to twist it first to see the right direction to make your passion twist, and then when you get it, it's when you come back here and start doing that twisting. So this is how we keep on doing the twisting, and just look at it very carefully. Try to be soft, and yes, maintain the passion twist, be flexible and very soft. So I want to shout out to all our friends, guys, who are watching right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know those ones in United Emirates, Netherlands. Guys, you're doing a great job. And please, just give me your time. Trust me, you will get to learn a lot of things when it comes to hairstyles and those protective styles for your hair. So this is how we keep on twisting. As you can see, very soft. So let's repeat here. I show you how I do it. So I first do the gel to collect all the hair, and when I'm done with that, I just cut this one into 3 portions. You remember that? Yes, that's what we do. Get a comb and you do it. You make the 3 lines just like that, and when you're done, you see how I do it, then I hold it that way. So it's when I bring the through my passion twist, just like that, I twist it this way. You see, whoop, 1, twice, whoop, just like that, and that way. So it's just very simple, like if you want to learn all this kind of things, like to learn the way like where I start. The only thing is, guys, you just have to keep on practicing, because that one makes you perfect. You just have to keep on practicing every time. Like, don't see something and you be like, yeah, I got it, and you don't practice it. Trust me, you just have to practice it, and then you add the passion like that passion test that we are operating. So you just add the passion. So trust me, when you get that the passion, and you keep on trying, you keep on though you do mistakes, but you keep on trying it every time. Trust me, you will gather, you will learn it, and you'll be able to do it. So this is how we can do the passion test. So I told you I start with the threes, because I know at times after I can come and I repair it. You understand? Like, repairing, this is what I mean. Like, after I can I can lock it. So that's how it is. So I played it this way, like starting with raise from down, so that when it grows I can be able to lock it. But because sometimes it becomes very hard when you start with a twisting and you try to lock it after you try, it can be very hard. Like, those people have tried it, I think you can so try doing it in the three format. It is very, very nice, and it can come out that it can be you can do the repair nicely. So this is how we can do it. So now let's see how we can keep on the twisting. Let me show you how the softness that you use while twisting. You understand? I'm playing with my sisters. I told you, for us to always work as a team. So like, I just put I can start from down, and for them they be finishing the twisting. So just know that you're also there learning when I'm also teaching here. Yeah, my sisters and some of my students that I'll be teaching here on our tutorials. Yes, so that's how we do it. So I want also to give my special thanks to my friend mainly in the United States of America. There's Lucky. Guys, you're doing a great job. I have a friend in the UK. Wow. Yes, I miss you guys. And let's pray that all things come back to normal. We shall be together. So, when I do this, after doing this, the threes, let's see how we can twist it. I want to show you that when you're twisting the passion twist, there is that softness you have to be having. Like, you shouldn't make it like, you don't make it hard when you're twisting it. So you can twist it hard when you're still in the hair. Okay, I don't know, let me try to explain this. When you're plating, like starting from the hair, there you can try to make it a little bit hard, but when you see like you have finished the hair, you're now on the braid only, just try to loosen the twisting. You understand? Yeah, just try to loosen the twisting, and you just try to twist it very, very softly. Let me show you here how it's supposed to be. So we are supposed to twist it this way. After you have put, you see the braiding here, I'm still trying to be hard, you see. Then after, when I've finished putting the braids, then I just start being soft. You can see how it is soft. Yes, you can see how soft it is. You see, yes, you got it, just like that. Very, very soft. So that is the only thing you can do this, you see. Yes. Wow, you see. Yeah, Ah, so when you're done, that's the only good to go. You see? So now, nothing else to do. So I want you to see how amazing this passion twist looks. The softness, because after we have to hold the puff, she can fast feel it when it is free down. You understand? It is so lovely. I love it. Oh my god, yeah. I know you also love it. Wow. Thank you so much. I love you. See you guys next time. I sign out. You can see how amazing Passion Twist looks. See you in the next video. That's tomorrow.